Hey, here we go. Changing the rules. Suit you.
I'm running the Gladiator though. All right.
Oh, you're not taking. You don't want to take the heavy stuff off? Oh, is that the only heavy?
Yeah.
You want to take anything else off?
Yeah, I'll take these off.
What about the wood?
Nah, it's okay. All right.
Like 7 minutes in, he's gonna go, should have taken the wood off.
Probably. All right.
All right, hang on one
Back
second.
up here. Here we go. And start.
Gate and roll over, that's 2. Ah, look at that. He listens to me.
Oh!
3!
3. I'll take it. That's all right. Yeah, tough little spot.
Reminds me of Tyler. Pointed out like 4 gates right in a row. I'll just grind into it. Nice job.
Thank you.
What? I did. Four. Time. 2:37.
Woo! And 5.
Plus 4. Was it 4 or 5? What'd you count? 5?
If we don't know it, then
Okay.
say 5.
Okay. So 5 times 5 is 25. So you are at 3. It's 302. That's what I said.
Yeah, 302.
Ready?
Okay.
You got it?
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Okay. Here we go.
Start. Look at him, smart. So that's called no boundary gates, which is very legal. Whole new ball game. Very nice. These tires just grip. Nice. Quick work with that. John is a very competitive person. He is dialed in right now. Big time. Oh, yeah. That's 1?
Yeah.
1. Look at that.
All around here.
Very nice.
Nice.
A little harder with the deadbolt. It's not as wide. That stance really makes a difference on that. That part. Very nice. Up this. Look at the size of this log, guys. The thing's almost as tall as the rigs. It's a very, very big piece of wood. Very nice. Those tires. Look at those tires. Almost there. Nice and easy. And time. 2 minutes.
5.
Woo! So that is 205. 205? Woo! Very nice job, sir. Very nice. Dang! That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Start.
Yep.
Oh. Start over.
Start over. Come on.
Got a long way to go.
Reset. Okay.
This is probably your hardest spot, so take your time.
Ooh, 2. No.
Yeah, you oh.
That's all right.
That's all right.
Bam.
3.
4.
It's a tricky one. Doesn't look like much, but now back up. Yeah, the other way. Yeah. Little by little.
Five. Oh man.
All right. There we are.
How much easier it is.
Back up, back up, back up.
Woo.
Now Mark is very, very new with crawlers.
6.
He's not doing bad at all for just getting into them. What's our time at?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. All right. Still good. Still good. Nice. Oh. Back up.
We're done.
Yeah. Yeah. Take your penalty. How many?
7. 2:15.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Nice job. Oh, that's 8.
It's a tricky transfer.
I should have went more that way.
Right,
9. How much I could have get?
Yep.
Did he hit the cone too? Or the
Not
palm
yet.
tree?
Oh, the palm tree, yeah.
Alright, that's 10. Damn.
Left. Getting there. Oh,
Yes!
All right, that's good. You just need to go through those 2 cones.
And up and over. Oh, no.
All right.
That's 11.
Yeah.
Supposed to go over after the gate, but oh well. I went. Go over. Huh?
Nice. Up and
Over.
up. Don't hit those gates.
Don't hit the gates.
That's
Ready?
another one. Yep. You ran it over on the corner. Nice and easy. Yeah, time.
4:27:34.
That's not bad. Okay, plus
12.
12. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We did pretty much everything that we were wanting to. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you. Until next time, this is Justin with SoFlo RC Life.